How to apply promo code or a digital voucher on the Coffee Club application. Applying a promo code or digital voucher on the Coffee Club app depends on how you are ordering. For online and mobile, you want to open the Coffee Club app. After that, you want to select all of it. After that, you want to select and add your favorite menu items to your shopping cart. After that, you want to proceed to the checkout/payment screen, and on that payment method screen you'll be able to locate the promo code or voucher code empty field, and on that field you want to simply type or paste your code and tap on apply before completing your payment. However, for in-store orders, if you have a digital voucher like a free coffee coupon or a VIP QR code, you generally do not type in a code. Instead, you open your Coffee Club mobile app, go to the active voucher or your digital card in the application and tap on use now. After that, you want to show your screen or scan the QR code on the scanner at the counter when paying. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.